In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add noise in Photopea, also known as grain or texture, so you can give your images a more cinematic, vintage, or realistic finish. If you want that subtle film look, or you just want to add a little texture to make a flat image feel more natural, this is a super quick effect that can make a big difference. And the best part is, I'll also show you the recommended way to do it non-destructively, so you can adjust the effect later without ruining your original image. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea and take a look at the layers panel on the right side. Before you add any noise, the best practice is to convert your image layer into a smart object. This is optional, but highly recommended because it gives you flexibility later. To do that, right-click on the layer you want to edit and then choose Convert to Smart Object. Once you do that, your layer will be ready for a non-destructive filter, which means you can come back and fine-tune it whenever you want. Now that your layer is ready, make sure it's selected. Then go up to the top menu bar and click Filter. Then move down to Noise and choose Add Noise. As soon as you click it, a settings window will appear, and this is where you control exactly how your grain will look. The first option you'll see is Amount. This controls how strong the noise effect is. If you want a very subtle film grain look, keep it low, somewhere around 3 to 8%. If you want something more noticeable and textured, you can increase it more, but for most photos, a little goes a long way. It's always better to start small, because too much noise can make your image look overly rough or distracting. Next is the distribution setting. You'll usually have two choices here, Uniform and Gaussian. Uniform spreads the noise in a more even, random pattern, while Gaussian gives you a more natural grain structure that looks a little more organic and film-like. If you want that classic analog texture, Gaussian is usually the better choice. If you want a more evenly scattered effect, then Uniform may work better. Try both if you're unsure, because the difference can be subtle, but it really changes the feel of the image. Then you'll see the Monochromatic option. If you check this box, the noise will stay in black, white, and grey only, which is perfect for realistic grain. This is usually the setting you want for most photo editing because it looks cleaner and more natural. If you leave it unchecked, the noise may include color specs as well, which can sometimes be useful for creative effects, but for standard grain, Monochromatic is the safer choice. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on the preview so you can see how the effect looks on your canvas. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply it. If you converted the layer to a smart object first, you'll notice a Smart Filters section appear underneath your layer in the Layers panel. That is exactly what you want, because it means the effect is editable. If later on you decide the noise is too strong or too weak, just double-click on Add Noise under Smart Filters and the settings window will reopen. From there, you can adjust the amount again without starting over. This is one of the easiest ways to add texture in Photopea, and it works great for portraits, product shots, social media graphics, and even creative poster designs. A little grain can help reduce that overly digital look and make your image feel more polished and stylized. Just remember, the goal is usually subtlety. You want the noise to enhance the image, not overpower it. If you want to go further, you can also duplicate the layer before adding the effect so you have even more control. But for most users, the Smart Object method is the cleanest and safest approach. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll be able to add and adjust noise in just a few clicks. So that's how to add noise in Photopea using the built-in noise filter. A quick recap. Convert your layer to a smart object. Go to Filter, then Noise, then Add Noise. Adjust the amount, choose your distribution, select Monochromatic if you want classic grain, and click OK. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.